Language as a science can take many points of view. But that's no reason not to discover them. LiRI's software development team builds computational language research applications that serve your diverse linguistic exploration. Whether you're interested in linguistic variety, regional, individual, or other features of language, we make your interest graspable, like in the project Voices of Switzerland, for which we created an interactive map that lets you discover the Swiss-German dialect continuum based on speech production. Our products grant users access to innovative query tools that incorporate multimodal data analytics, like the LiRI Corpus platform, which lets you explore results in text, audio, and video corpora in a matter of seconds. No matter if you are working with big data or low-resource languages, we take on the challenge and combine your specific needs with our expertise. Take GalRom, for example, a linguistically structured database designed to support the analysis of medieval Gallo-Roman textual production through detailed and curated data. All you need is an idea. The rest you can leave up to us. You already have one? Great! Let's discuss it in your first free consultation session. Just write us an email and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.